Hi guys, so I'm going to come on this morning and show you how to use the Flawless Peeling Gel. This is really good for all skin types. So whether you have oily, combination, or even dry skin, this will work on any type of skin. This is meant to just go in and do just a little extra work in addition to the other products, the Foaming Cleanse Gel, the Liquid Gold, and along with the serums. This is just to kind of, again, detoxify your skin. It has a wonderful little exfoliating, you'll see here, there's a little roller. And then you'll see here, there's another, again, just like the Foaming Cleanse Gel. So basically, all that you need to do is you open the tab like this, and you put about a quarter drop. This is, again, really good for dullness, dark spots, again, just pulling the impurities out, clogged, congested pores. And just, you want to do this about once or twice a week, no more than once or twice a week. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it on your teeth. You do not want to put it you want to put it on your chin and your cheeks. You do not want to put it near your lip or your eyes. You want to avoid that. Then you're just going to use the applicator tips and just circle it around in circular motions to help get in there and detoxify. And I just love these applicator tips because it really, to me, feels like it's getting in. And you're exfoliating. So you want to do your T-spots, right? And you can use both sides of the little roller. You want to go upward. I like the applicator tip though, to be honest. I like this tip better. And we're just going to keep going. And again, just a quarter. Good for all skin types. And I can see some brown, I don't know if you can see it in there. Then after you do that, I'm gonna add a little water. Then you're supposed to, for a minute, 1 to 2 minutes, go in and just use your hands and just kind of to continue the exfoliation. But again, avoid your eyes and your upper lip. And this is just to help you get a little bit more radiant. Who doesn't want more radiant skin, right? And as I'm doing this, I'm going to remind you guys, the reason why I decided to partner as a health coach with this product line is because it's cruelty-free, it's non-toxic, paraben, gluten-free, so it kind of goes in alignment with reducing toxic load in order to have a healthier gut and healthier liver. Our liver is our detoxifying organ in addition to our skin. And for that to run optimally, we really need to reduce toxic load. So then after you do that, I'll turn this over here. I'm going to be using the little washcloth that came, and you just kind of wash it off. To remove the dead impurities. And then a nice little dab, and there you go. 1 to 2 times a week, a great exfoliation for your skin. And as we age, I'm 46, so as you age, you really want to make sure you're getting a quality skincare regimen. And I have to say, VIC beauty brand, I was introduced, so see here, you just turn the tab. I was introduced to it by my sister because she knew I was a health coach, or am a health coach, and she knew that I was very, very big on clean, non-toxic products. And so she got me to research this brand, and it just falls into alignment with my health coaching. And again, my whole goal as a health coach is to help women regain their gut health in order to regain their health. Because I want to first do that for women, and then secondly, help women create the life that they want, right? And to encourage them and to help them find the confidence and the capability inside themselves to go out and create the life they want. So I guess I would say, first, I'm a health coach in terms of like helping them regain their health, adrenal, gut, thyroid. But then the second half of me is a life coach, wanting to help women go after things in life that they may have put on hold for a while, but they may not have had the health, the confidence, or the capability in their mind to do such things. And so this product line is also kind of tying into that. In order to feel good about yourself, first we take care of how we feel on the inside, and then we want to take care of our skin and those kind of things that make us feel better on the outside. And then we want to bring joy into our lives. And some women maybe even want to build a business, and so I can offer all of this through my health coaching practices, as well as my partnership with VIC Beauty Brand. It is a great time to get involved in the company. It is an October promotional month in which you can get $400 worth of products for only $199, and with that comes the opportunity to build a business if you decide to do so. So in so many ways it was a win-win situation, so I decided to jump in and take advantage of this new upcoming company with so much to offer. A wellness line is coming in November, so I'll be checking that out. But in the meantime, I am really going to be doing some product reviews and education. All right, guys, have a good one.